Those who arrived late to the party and missed the announcement will be happy to know that the most significant development in the history of SafeMoon has finally arrived, and it's already having a profound impact on SafeMoon's player count. If you've been worried about SafeMoon's recent price correction, then you must not miss what we're about to show you in this video. This one video that you don't want to miss, so let's get started. Make sure to stay tuned to the very end of this video as it comes back with a tons of bullish updates for you. We've got also some technical analysis for you in this video as well. If you've been worried about the SafeMoon's recent price correction, then you must not. Disclaimer. What's going on, SafeMoon Army? Many thanks for taking the time to watch the channel. Because there's so many interesting and optimistic new developments in today's film, you should watch it all the way through to the finish. From price analysis to single biggest development in the world of SafeMoon that will make holders super rich, this one video that you must not miss. However, before we get into the video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you are first to know when we upload a new video on the channel. With that out of the way, let's take a look at today's video. However, in recent times, prices have started to decrease a bit, which could be causing a few holders to fear. For a lengthy period of time, SafeMoon's prices went crazy, expanding and climbing day after day. If you are one of those, then allow me to take this opportunity to reassure that there is absolutely no reason to freak out about the recent price drop. These price drops are known as price corrections, and they are indicators of a healthy market. No matter how bullish a coin or token gets, it must eventually correct for a bit before it can take off again. The advantage of drop of this kind is that they provide a window of opportunity for current holders as well as new holders to enter the market and add to their holdings in a hurry. The same is true with SafeMoon. According to information from Observer Expert, since the middle of May, the price of SafeMoon V2 has been upward trend, with prices increasing by as much as 290%. SafeMoon was open to 36 rally over the next few weeks up until the middle of the May. The narrative for SafeMoon V2 was strikingly similar to the other alternative cryptocurrency in the market. The price continued to slump to a new bottom amidst bearish broader and market cycle and tag a 4th-month low on May 12th. Bullish momentum appears to have slowed down following a 22-day correction on May 26th. The last 6 days resulted in 3 red candles and 4th was currently in development at the time of writing the article. With that being said, there will still a few reasons to remain optimistic. The price rallied by as much as 290%, which was its largest rally since January. However, the counter-response from bulls was strong since touching monthly lows. First, the candles were positioned above the trend line that was providing support, which indicated that SafeMoon's potential for an uptrend had not been compromised despite the more recent decline. Secondly, the moving average of 21 periods was going to move higher than the moving average of 55 days. The event is commonly known as golden crossing, and it is a potent bullish market signal that predicts the beginning of a long-term rally. Finally, the daily relative strength index had steadied from levels to overbought and maintained ground above 50 to 55. This dip is temporary and might be only chance to get to up your bag before the next bull run, but of course keep in mind that this is not a financial advice as such as you're advised to do your own research and speak with financial advisors before making any investment decision. And now to the main news. As you've seen, SafeMoon has been criticized for its lack of transparency in its operations. SafeMoon has been criticized for its lack of transparency. The eagerly expected switch in a ball has now been made possible thanks to SafeMoon. At the time this video was made, the process was about 87% complete, which indicates a significant process has made. If you've been following the channel, then you should already be familiar with that swap and evolves about it. However, just in case you don't get it or you have no idea what all the fuss is about, then make sure to keep watching because I'll explaining everything a little bit for those of you who have no idea what I'm talking about. Swap and evolve is an evolved state of swap and liquefy. The basic premise of swap and evolve is to remove the negative impact and instead apply a positive one. This is achieved via 2 functions on the statement contract, which are collected BNB and swap in a ball. The collect BNB function, as the same implies, collects BNB. Here's how it works. Swap in a ball collects BNB and then swaps them with each other. This BNB is then held until the swap and evolve trigger is reached. And now we can go on to the swap and evolve function. Whenever 323,323.32 SafeMoons are gathered, they are exchanged for BNB, which is then used in the function. The swap and evolve function will be manually triggered and buy SafeMoon on the open market once collect BNB has collected and store 132.32 BNB. This is an oversimplified explanation of what goes with a swap and evolve, but we're about to get a little more detailed to help you get an even deeper understanding of what swap and evolve is about. For those who have been around for a while, you've heard of swap and liquefy in the simplest form. The LP percentage that it takes depends on the type of transaction. The percentage that it collected was then stored until it was value of either 500 billion SafeMoon V1 or 500 million SafeMoon V2. Once those values are reached, it triggered the contracts function swap and liquefy. Basically, this function split 500 billion or 500 million SafeMoon depending on the situation down to the middle 250 million or billion SafeMoon into BNB and then paired them together, adding the total. To begin, the 500 million SafeMoon collection has been decreased to 323,323.32 SafeMoon thanks to the exchange and Evolve. This reduction in collection helps to prevent negative impact on the chart, so even though we're still swapping SafeMoon to BNB, the effect of the swap on the chart isn't as harsh as it was before. Plus, when the volume levels are low, it will not create that large imbalance because instead of utilize a smaller BNB collection, once collect BNB has collected a full 132.32 BNB, then swap and Evolve will be triggered. I believe that all of your questions have been satisfactorily addressed at this point. However, if you are unsure about any aspect of the swap and evolve function and would like answers, I will leave a link to articles and flowcharts which could help you understand better. We still have more interesting updates for you, so make sure to keep watching. SafeMoon has just announced a new opening for the position of Director of Product Development. If you believe you have what it takes to join the SafeMoon team as a Director of Product Development, then by all means turn your application and just maybe you could be a part of the team. You could be a part of the team soon. And with that said, we move on to the news from the cryptocurrency market. If you ever dream of working at SafeMoon, this might be your chance to make those dreams come true. At the time that this video was being produced, the bullish momentum that Bitcoin had a Wall Street open on June 1 was lost and United States stocks were facing another day of regression. Bitcoin has given up all the gains that it managed to accrue in the previous days, and market experts are scared that there may be even more negative news in the store for the cryptocurrency. The mood down surprised hardly anyone despite the recent shows of strength, and the trip to week high when Bitcoin will recover remains a lingering question. And with that, we come to end of today's video. Pretty sure you found it really interesting. Then please like the video and leave comment in the comment section below. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. If you're a fan of SafeMoon, then you must check out this video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.